Maritime attorney in Houston's. Houston tax maritime if you get injured while working offshore, deciding which laws apply and who is responsible for your situation is not always straightforward. Maritime law is complex, so it's important that you have an attorney on your side who can make sense of it all. If you work as a boat or dock operator, ship builder, ship repairer, or have another maritime job, the possibility of injuries is always present. If you get hurt, Morgan is here to help. Our Houston's office is well versed is protecting the rights of those who have been harmed at sea. Schedule a free no risk case evaluations to get started. Recent verdicts and settlements for settlements, estate of Frank Townsend's, Arjek Morgan Stanley, data security litigations, Stephen Davis, V. Levin Clark, Ricardo Williams, Marty Grifka, and Derek Park. MC Adam V. Monier Lifestyle Estate of Patricia Allens V. Coleman V. Martinez Gold V. Lumber Liquidators Headline Normal Brink V. Royce Van Rettel. It's easy to get started. The fee is free. Only pay if you win. Submit your claim. We take action and we fight for you. I was in a difficult situation when I was injured by a faulty product. I was hesitant to seek legal help, but with the help of Morgan, they made the process easy. They look immediate actions and got me the compensation I deserved. I could not have done it without them. I highly recommend their services. Client success stories that inspire and drive change. More to explore, navigate to other relevant topics and case types for a full list of the litigation types we may be able to assist with. Visit or practice areas page serving the following neighborhood alive Bunker Hill Village, Cinco Ranch, Four Corner, Hedwig Village, Jersey Catty Meadows Place, Mission Bend, Oak Cliff Place, Second Grove, Piney Point Village, Spring Valley, and Sugar Land. Get answer to commonly asked questions about our legal services and learn how we may assist you with your case. Notable maritime laws, types of damage available, contact our Houston office, get a free case. Free case. Submit get 20 North Orange Away Suites 16 Orlando and people with and without disabilities, please contact us if you encounter an inaccessibility or instability.